Are you tired of being ignored by cold girls? Do you want to know how to make them crave you? Well, you're not alone. Many guys struggle to attract cold girls, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm going to share 7 things you need to do to attract and win over a cold girl. These tips are based on my own experience, as well as the experiences of other guys who have successfully attracted cold girls. So, if you're ready to learn how to make a cold girl crave you, then keep watching. Number 1. Be confident and self-assured. Cold girls are attracted to men who are confident and sure of themselves. This doesn't mean that you have to be arrogant or cocky, but you should project an air of confidence when you're around them. Stand up straight, make eye contact, and speak clearly and confidently. Here are some tips for projecting confidence. Stand up straight and hold your head high. Make eye contact and smile. Speak clearly and confidently. Dress well and take care of your appearance. Be assertive and take charge. Number 2. Be a good listener. Cold girls are often guarded and closed off, so it's important to be a good listener and show genuine interest in what they have to say. This will help you to break down their walls and build rapport with them. Here are some tips for being a good listener. Pay attention to what she's saying and ask questions to show that you're interested. Don't interrupt or try to change the subject. Be supportive and understanding. Don't give advice unless she asks for it. Number 3. Be respectful. Cold girls don't like to be treated like objects or trophies, so it's important to be respectful of them and their boundaries. This will show them that you're a genuine guy who's interested in them for who they are. Here are some tips for being respectful. Don't pressure her into anything she's not comfortable with. Don't make assumptions about her or her intentions. Be mindful of your body language and avoid making any unwanted advances. Treat her the way you would want to be treated. Number 4. Be patient. Cold girls don't fall for men overnight. It takes time and patience to win their hearts. So don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep being yourself, and eventually she'll come around. Here are some tips for being patient. Don't expect her to fall for you right away. Don't get too attached too soon. Keep dating other people and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Keep being yourself, and eventually she'll see your worth. Number 5. Be mysterious. Cold girls are attracted to men who are a bit mysterious, so don't give away everything about yourself right away. Let her have some things to discover about you. Here are some tips for being mysterious. Don't share too much personal information about yourself too soon. Let her ask the questions and be selective about what you answer. Leave her wanting more. Be yourself, but don't be afraid to let your guard down a little bit. Number 6. Be playful and fun. Cold girls don't like to be around guys who are too serious all the time. So make sure to be playful and fun when you're around them. This will help you to lighten the mood and make her more comfortable around you. Here are some tips for being playful and fun. Make her laugh. Do fun activities together. Be spontaneous and unpredictable. Don't take yourself too seriously. Number 7. Be yourself. The most important thing is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, because she'll see right through it. Just be genuine and authentic, and she'll be drawn to you for who you are. So there you have it, 7 things you need to do to make a cold girl crave you. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to winning her heart. But remember, the most important thing is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, because she'll see right through it. Just be genuine and authentic, and she'll be drawn to you for who you are. And if you're still not sure how to approach a cold girl or how to keep her interested, be sure to check out my other videos on the Mind Detective channel. I've got plenty of tips and advice that will help you to attract and win over the girl of your dreams. Thanks for watching!